Site 86, Carlyle, Dam West Campground, full hookup. Dumpster down there, a little bit of a lake view. Sailboats over there. Here's where you come in at, and the shower house down there, and bathrooms. Drive's part asphalt and gravel pad. Good satellites location. Sewer hookup, water. Neighbors to the back. .50 amp service. Green space in the back. Best part, a lot of room to your neighbors. No lantern hanger. A little disappointing. Fire pit. Had to use one leveling blocks to level it up, so fairly level camp spot, not too bad. Got the PK grill and Blackstones all set up. Been getting rain, so it's not a bad spot. Wasn't too hard to back into. And definitely would camp this spot again. I'd give it an A. There's better ones out here, but it's not bad. Especially with the amount of space you get in the front.